The journey of a luxury leather diary begins on peaceful cattle ranches, where strong and healthy cows graze under the open sky. Skilled ranch workers carefully select only the finest hides, ensuring the highest quality for luxury leather diaries. After ethical harvesting, the fresh cow hides are immediately salted to preserve their natural beauty and texture. These salted hides are then carefully bundled and loaded onto trucks for the journey to the tannery. Upon arrival at the tannery, the massive cow hides are unloaded and prepared for the long transformation process. The hides are soaked in large water pits to rehydrate and restore their natural flexibility. In liming vats, the hides are treated with special solutions to loosen the hair and prepare the skin. Unhairing machines gently remove all remaining hair, revealing the smooth and beautiful grain of the cow leather. The hides then go through fleshing to remove any excess fat and tissue from the underside. Splitting machines carefully divide the thick hides into the perfect thickness needed for luxury leather diaries. Deliming and baiting processes open up the fibers, so the leather can absorb tanning agents evenly. Pickling stabilizes the hides and prepares them for the crucial tanning stage. Every single hide is rigorously inspected by expert technicians to ensure only the best quality proceeds. The wet blue cow leather now carries the rich potential to become something truly elegant. From the ranch to the first stages of tanning, this is where the story of luxury leather diaries truly begins. The tanned cow leather enters large rotating drums, where chrome tanning agents penetrate deep into the fibers. This careful tanning process transforms the raw hide into soft, durable, and flexible leather. After tanning, the wet leather is passed through powerful presses to remove excess moisture. Shaving machines then reduce the leather to the exact thickness required for luxury diary covers. Retanning with natural vegetable extracts adds extra softness and a beautiful natural feel. Rich dyes are carefully applied in controlled drums to give the leather its elegant and luxurious color. Special oils and fats are added to nourish the fibers and create that supple, premium hand feel. The leather is then stretched and set to achieve a smooth and even surface. Vacuum drying brings the leather to the perfect moisture level for further processing. Staking machines gently break the fibers to give the cow leather its natural drape and softness. Light buffing prepares the surface for the final finishing touches. Every sheet of leather is inspected again to maintain the highest standards for luxury leather diaries. The finished tanned leather now shows its rich grain and beautiful suppleness. This stage turns simple cowhide into material worthy of becoming a luxury leather diary. The transformation from raw hide to premium leather is now almost complete.
This seam is misaligned, rejecting it. Now for the rework. Scanning complete. Location logged. Next pallet. Scanning now. Clear on the left! Coming in, watch the stack. Set it down easy, right here. All right, push them in steady. Got it, lining up now. Good, now strap them down. Straps tight, we're good.
The texture is so smooth and rich.
Yes, you can feel the quality. It's like butter.
Such exquisite craftsmanship.
The leather is outstanding. I'll take this one.